today's video, we are going to do something that will spark joy. So I'm going to teach you how to organize your money bag the Marie Kondo way. So this video is inspired by a good housekeeping video whereby they invite Marie Kondo to declutter a bag. So I think my bag needs decluttering. This is a bag that I often bring out, especially when I'm out with my son, with my 2-year-old son. So right now I seldom bring a diaper bag. I will bring my mommy essentials and my son's stuff and put all inside here. So let's get started. So the very first step on how you should organize your bag is to take everything out of your bag. Okay, so I've poured everything out. So my bag is empty now. Look at the amount of things I have in my bag. My bag is like a big hole inside, except for one small little compartment which is really small. I can't put much things in. So moving on to the second step, I should get rid of everything that doesn't spark joy. So you just need to go through your things and see what is things that you don't want. Okay, first start with all the loose items. You have receipts, which I don't need anymore. Some rough papers, which I can throw. So this is a kit that I keep for my son. Like there's like sunblocks or insect repellents, like a little first aid kit for my son. So I like to collect samples like these to bring out. And so when you declutter your bag, it's best that you check the things that is going to expire. So those things that are expiring, it's better for you to dispose them because they don't spark joy. If you apply it onto your baby skin, it's gonna turn nasty because their skin is so sensitive. So yeah, let me check. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. Oh, it has expired. Expired last year. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm gonna dispose. So you check the remaining items whether it has expired. You see this kind of barrier cream, like when you this is to use during the diaper change. It's a diaper cream. You see the look of it is so dirty and it doesn't spark joy, so I'm gonna throw it away. Anyway, it has expired. Okay. So yeah, while I'm at this, because there's still a lot of space in my little kit here, I will pack in things like my band-aid. My band-aid is just lying around. My band-aid is my band-aid lying around in my bag, floating around. Yeah, so I will just put it in here. Okay, so yeah, this bag is done. So the next step is to categorize the things that I'm keeping. So yeah, these are the things that I will be keeping. Yeah. So I'll just push all aside. So these are baby stuff, baby stuff, baby stuff, baby stuff, baby food, mommy stuff, mommy stuff, mommy stuff, mommy stuff. This one is the mommy stuff. Mommy baby stuff. Okay, so I have categorized the things. I have separated them, like my stuff and the baby stuff. So step number 4 is to use pouch to keep everything organized. I have 3 pouches here. So I'm going to discard this Ziploc bag. This one contains my baby's diaper. So this Ziploc bag doesn't spark joy to me. So yeah. I'll keep in this little jujube pouch here. As well as the wet wipes. So whenever I go for my diaper change, I will just reach for this pouch. So this is another pouch that I always have in my bag. This is the extra clothes that I bring for my baby. So I will also put in the cutlery set inside. Cutlery set and also his pacifier. So next I have this big pouch here. I will put my son's toys, his snacks, some antibacterial wipes, and some tissue. So this pouch is for my kids' meal time and snack time. So finally, the final pouch, I will put in the remaining items. These are mostly my own items. So I've got a pen here, my lip gloss, earbuds, sewing kit, hand sanitizer, my little medicine box here, my earpiece, and yep, so this is my bag, and the rest will be here. After you have organized everything into small pouches, then you can move on to the last step, which is step number 5. Pack everything back into your bag. So Marie Kondo advised to put all the pouches vertically, but for my case, because my bag is horizontal and all the zippers are horizontal, so this is the best way for me to put it horizontal. So sometimes it depends on your bag. So I feel this is the best way, and putting it horizontal sparked joy to me. So yeah. Some of my pouches actually have a top handle, so if I put it horizontally, I can straight away pull it out like this, right? So that's why I put everything horizontal in my bag. My bag is so much more organized now. Let me show it to you. I hope you can see inside. Yeah. So all my pouches are inside. Easily I can just pull it out. Yeah, the diaper pouch, the extra clothes pouch. Yeah, everything. Once you open, you can see everything inside. So it is so much more user-friendly this way as compared to just now. Here's the before decluttering and after decluttering picture. So yeah, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share the video. I hope that it can inspire other mummies to organize their bags, their mummy bags. Yeah, this one applies to any bags, not just for mummy bags or diaper bags. You can apply to your work bag. In the comment section below what type of Konmari videos that you want me to make. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of mummy videos. I upload this type of mummy videos every single week. And don't forget to hit the little bell so that you'll be notified every time when I have new video comes out. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye!